To activate your Rapid Pay card, start by visiting the official website of the card issuer or by calling their customer service number. You will need to have your card information and personal details ready, including your card number, expiration date, and security code. Once you are on the website or speaking with a representative, follow the prompts to begin the activation process. You will typically be asked to enter your card information and verify your identity. This is a security measure to ensure that the card is being activated by the rightful owner. Next, you will be asked to create a PIN for your card. Choose a PIN that is easy for you to remember, but difficult for others to guess. Avoid using common numbers such as your birth date or anniversary, and do not share your PIN with anyone. After creating your PIN, you will need to agree to the terms and conditions of the card. Take a moment to read through these carefully, as they will outline the fees and usage guidelines associated with your card. Once you have agreed to the terms and conditions, your card will be activated and you can begin using it to make purchases, pay bills, and access your funds. Be sure to sign the back of your card and keep it in a safe and secure location to prevent unauthorized use. It is also a good idea to set up online account access and mobile banking to manage your card and monitor your transactions. This will allow you to check your balance, view transaction history, and receive alerts and notifications about your account activity. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can ensure that your Rapid Pay card is activated and ready for use. Remember to always keep your card and account information secure, and to contact customer service if you have any questions or concerns about your card.